just the chuck.
We got Juneberry.
Where I can find it.
Okay, I will.
Here you go.
Awesome. Thank you. Let me go set this down. Here you go. Sweet. Thank you, sir. Perfect. Nice job. Get the windage and elevation. Oh! Second shot. Nice job.
What I win? Like,
Show it off to me. Show it off to me. Nice. Very cool. What?
Dang, you got my bad penmanship, man. Sucks right there.
Does that say
Can you even read that? You guys will come back in the second game. Second game is yours.
Excuse me? 360 cam.
Sir.
what up?
What's up? What do you got over here?
What's going on? What's going
360
on,
cam
gentlemen?
today.
How we doing?
What?
Honey.
What's all this? Can you show me what you got? I got a little 360 cam on here.
Hang your banner, and then you just adjust it. So if you want to go lower.
Yeah. Dang. Very cool.
It's also a 5-star rating.
5-star rating. What do you guys have?
All freebies.
Oh, freebies.
Yes. Ranger, we represent you guys. So anything you need, you purchase through Toyota, we are your supplier partner. Partner with switches as well, so anything heat related, heat stress in the warehouse.
Yeah, I drink those things all the time.
All the time.
This one's over
Let me
there.
get my card.
Okay, cool.
Nice to meet
Well, it was
you.
nice meeting you too. Manny, it's okay.
Nice to meet you.
Jason.
Jason?
Yeah.
I'm familiar with things like this, but I haven't seen this one
Yeah,
before.
so our barrier systems, they absorb the impact. Unlike steel, they don't break the concrete because it'll absorb 80% of the impact.
Really? Say what's up. Yeah, todos. Okay.
Spin the wheel.
Yes.
Go ahead. Fourth one to land on food trivia. Where do the boba pearls and boba tea come from? She
Clams.
probably knows the answer.
The inside of a clam.
Say that again.
The inside of a clam.
Tapioca.
Tapioca.
Close enough.
Okay.
I don't
I don't have a haircut. Oh, shoot. Damn.